What's up, you guys? Anzaldo back here with another video. Today we will be talking about the 4 simple steps to becoming an independent artist. Alright guys, so the 4 simple steps, here they are. Hope you're ready. Take some notes, write this thing down. So step number 1, build a great team. Get the right people around you. Build a solid foundation. Alright, step number 2, make the product, aka your music. You always gotta be making products, making music to sell, to push, to give away. Whatever the case is, you gotta get the product out there. Alright, number 3, distribute the product. Always be distributing. Distribute where it matters. Distribute where your fans are. Distribute where you're gonna get the most ROI from. And step number 4, market the product. If you're not doing these steps, you're never gonna make it. But why? Because if you don't market the product, it doesn't matter how good the product is. No one's gonna hear about it. No one's gonna know it. No one's gonna see it. If no one finds out about this great product you have, at the end of the day, it's gonna stay there. It's not gonna move. Always move your product. Get it out there. Promote it. Whatever you can. Social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever the case. Push your products out there. You might be asking, how do I get all this done? Well, any way you can. That is the cool part, but also hard part about being an indie artist. When you are an independent artist, you are in control if you have success or if you fail. Whatever it is, you're in control and you're the one to blame. No one else, not your managers, no one. You are the head. You are the leader of the group. You are the leader. You decide what to do, and every action has a reaction. Always remember that you are in control of your own destiny and your future. Alright guys, so your goal is to keep repeating these 4 simple steps and getting better every single time you go through them. You're always going to be building the team. People are always going to be coming. People are always going to be going. Alright? You're always going to be making music. If you love music, you're doing this because you love it, you're always going to be doing it. So that shouldn't be hard for you. Distributing the product, everything's going to be changing. The way people promote and do marketing, it's always going to be changing. You always got to be adapting. Someone has to be learning all this stuff and staying up to date. If it's not going to be you, it better be someone in your team. Your marketing director, whoever, your marketing manager, whoever it is. They have to be on top of the new trends and the new ways of promoting, the new ways of distribution. You guys got to stay up to date with this and always be learning. Never stop learning. The market always changes and you should be changing with it too. Always be adapting. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. These were the 4 simple steps on becoming an independent artist, how to go indie. Hey guys, I just want to say one last thing. Please leave your comments down below. Alright guys, I just want to end it by saying thank you. And please hit that like button and that subscribe button. Join the movement, join the family. I'll see you guys soon.